I have both online stores and offline retail. How can I process orders and management inventory of both together? BigSeller can help you. The POS retail order feature helps improve the efficiency of offline order entry. It also allows shared inventory between your online stores and offline retail, making it easier to manage stock. Step 1. Create POS retail store. First, go to Authorization Center, Store Authorization page. Select Other to add new POS retail order store. Step 2. Set POS retail price. You can set price at POS retail orders page or directly go marketing module to set. Once set, when you create orders, system will auto-fill prices. Step 3. Creating POS orders. After all these settings, you can go to Order module to create POS orders. Here you can scan or manually select products. And here you select the existing customers or add new customers. After filling all information, you can click Settlement. Pay attention, you can customize some settings here to meet your need. If you select this option, you can process your orders as platform orders. And also our system will deduce the inventory of warehouse which you link with the store. Additionally, if you want to have an overview of sales, payments, and product data within each billing cycle, you can use this business settlement function. First, you need to select one store and complete your print settings. Then you select the settlement time, close, and print bill. Also, you can check the record here to reprint closed bill. This feature can help boost your POS management. Try it now. If you have any questions, please contact us.